Hi, I am Praful Gami, Director at StrategicERP. Mr. Sanjeev, thanks for our business association. Can you tell us something about more your business process organization?
Yes, Mr. Praful, how
Yeah.
are you? And if you need that about our organization, that I can say that I am the CFO of the organization. Its name is HJ Group of Companies, and in HJ Group of Company there is two major companies, three major companies. That one is the Service Air Cargo, in which we are doing the logistic and air cargo transportation by air. And the second is the HJ Hospital.
Oh,
This is the this is the main you can say the best hospital in the DRC. And the third is the modern construction. For that, I am looking the ERP solution. This is the construction company in which we are doing the real estate projects and the you can say that the project all our projects like to develop the buildings to the hospital and our own projects on our projects we also are doing the modern construction.
great, great. Yeah, it's nice to heard about multi verticals you are working in, right? So now, that would you say was your major problem statement while the seeking for a new ERP solution, that your most important need for a new ERP solution?
Okay, so my major problem to bring an ERP solution to bring all of the department in a single platform, single window. Okay, so the most reports can generate and which is the fruitful to every department. So the single information can be give the better impact and give the better information to our owners and to our all the users of the ERP solution.
Right. Thank you. Mr. Sanjay, we understand you are using a solutions previously that were the shortcomings or limitation of the previous solution that prompt you to look for a new solution?
Yes, Mr. Praful, that we were using the solution previously, but the solution was not perfectly or you can say that it's not perfectly organized. We were using the different software for the different departments. So I can't say that the solution was perfect. So that's what was there was a lot of limitation. There was a lot of limitation in the every software. So that's what my main motive to bring any solution that it can usable to each and every department. So that was the main motive.
Right. Yeah. Thank you. And just for the info, how did you know about strategic ERP?
I hear I use the social media, digital marketing, and my some of companies in the directors and in our director are well connected, so they also suggest me this software, and so I have searched in the Googles everywhere, and I found a better reviews from the people that this is the perfect ERP for this for our organization.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Mr. Sanjay, where the major factor that build the confidence in you to choose strategic ERP as a solution?
I think the major factor is the technology and web and mobile portal and the information and the reviews of the success of the implementation on the limited timeline. So that was the main factors giving me the confidence.
Okay, thank you. So, is there any additional feedback you like to provide?
The additional feedback I can provide that regarding the implementation and the success percentage of the implementation in the limited timeline, and the integration with the current solution what we are using. So I think this is the main impact for the feedback.
Right. So, thank you very much, Mr. Sanjeev. Thanks for your valuable feedback. Thank you.